Let's begin by finding a comfortable seat or lying down, allowing your body to rest deeply in this moment. Close your eyes if that feels safe, and take a long, slow breath in and gently let it go. Let's take a few moments just to arrive, to settle, to land in the stillness of now. Bring your attention to the body. Feel the weight of your body supported by the ground or a chair. Feel the earth beneath you holding you without question. Let the shoulders soften, the jaw release, and the belly ease. With each exhale, allow any tensions to melt. Now, bring your awareness to your breath. Imagine that within you there is the vessel, your inner cup. It may be full from the day before or from a lifetime of carrying, full of thoughts, emotions, expectations, noise. Before we welcome the new, let's begin by gently letting go. Let the breath be your guide. Let it be the gentle stream that slowly pours out the excess. Inhale, soft and natural. Exhale, release as if pouring something out. With each breath out, imagine the cup inside you tipping ever so slightly, releasing tensions, emptying old stories, letting go of what is no longer needed. Inhale, create space. Exhale, soften, surrender. Breathing becomes a quiet act of trust. Let your breath flow like water, cleansing, clearing, making room. Now imagine in your mind's eye a beautiful, simple cup resting before you. It once held many things, some useful, some not. But now it's empty, clean, open, ready. Feel the openness in your body, in your mind, in your heart. You've made room. You've cleared the way. Now imagine the goodness of your day pouring into this empty cup. The laughter of a loved one, the warmth of the sun, the taste of your favorite meal, a kind word, a quiet moment. Feel your cup being filled with what is nourishing, what is simple, what is real. The space is for joy. There's space for presence. There's space for you. Take a few final breaths, feeling the lightness within you. Let yourself smile gently from the inside out, and silently say to yourself, "Today I begin empty, so I may be filled with wonder. I release what I don't need and welcome what is good. My cup is open to the beauty of this day." When you're ready, begin to wiggle your fingers and toes. Come back to the room, carrying this openness with you. And step into your day, light, receptive, and full of possibility. Namaste.